So, got the headlight unit out of a 2003 Ford Focus here. I'm going to show how you change a headlight, because unfortunately the Haynes manual, at least not that I can find, it doesn't show how to put a freaking headlight bulb in it. Yeah, I'm a little ticked about this. Had to go to a shed to rescue this because I got a blown headlight. So there's a rubber cover that goes on here. I already took it off. You just kind of squeeze in and pull it off. But then you got to understand, when it's in the car, you got about this much room. So you can't get your eye in there to see. Now, maybe with a mirror you could. But anyway, there's what you're looking at. Had some light in there. Maybe we'll supply a little extra light here. There, that's better. Okay, so what you got to do, you got to undo this metal tang here. I'll show it again there. That thing right there. You got to undo that. Actually, you got to push it towards the front of the car. So I can't hold the light and do that at the same time. But anyway, I'll try here. You push it, and then it magically undoes, and you can pull it down and around the bulb like that. So you can see it there. This piece of stainless. They made that of stainless, it looks like, so it doesn't rust. Then the headlight hopefully will pull out of there. Yeah, there it goes. So we got the headlight out. There we go. Now you have to pull it apart from the wiring here. So grip this metal part and pull. And on the new headlight, you don't want to touch the glass part when you put it in. So I can't do that with one hand. So then the reverse, so you slide that in the hole there. I'll get that out of the way. Slide that back in the hole there, making sure that your tab is upwards. You got tabs on it there. They got it aligned correctly. And then you reinstall your metal wire there, stainless steel loopy clip there. So that's how you do it. The main reason I made this video was that I know how to do it the next time, because the book didn't show me anything about it, and it's been a couple years since I did one, so more or less out of frustration than anything, because I was pulling on it but it wasn't coming out. So anyway, that's how you do the headlight on a probably 2000 to 2004 Focus. Hope that's helpful to you.